Good morning students. Today I'm here to introduce page number 14 and page number 15, and now it is a flower vase, cup saucer and a sugar pot. Okay, firstly this is also overlapped composition. Complete the given compositions and color it. Okay, firstly step by step, here is a baseline, foreground, background, and after that incomplete pictures are there. Okay, now complete the pictures. Firstly make a leaves, like this. Okay, now complete like this pictures. This is also overlapped leaves are there like this. Okay, and now after that make a curl in a design on the flower pot in a cup. This is a waving design here, and make a two circle like this. After that in a sugar pot also in a waving design. Okay, this is your complete picture. Okay, now fill the color. Okay, given in your in a left hand side picture border, violet, orange, and combination in a circle there is a orange, and now it is a pink, dark pink color with orange combination. It is a dark green, light green. After that in a cup saucer the combination with blue and orange. After that in a saucer there is a blue and yellow combination. After that in a sugar pot there is a blue and orange combination with a pink. Okay, in a foreground it is a brown color, and in a background it is a yellow color. Okay, now fill the colors. Okay, and now start in a page number 15. Okay, now there are two pictures are given in a border. Okay, which one will be drawn? Yes, I like to draw first one. Okay, there is a pencil stand, pineapple, and a pot. Okay, draw any one of these two compositions and color it. Okay, any one. Okay, firstly you draw a baseline, like this, like. Okay, first of all draw a pineapple in an oval shape. Okay, after that draw a flower pot. Like this. Okay, this is your basic, and after that draw a pineapple leaves. Like this, and after that curves. Okay, here is a pot, and draw a design in a pot in a waving things like this, and after that make a pen stand. Make a two lines here, 1 and 2. After that draw a brush like this. Second brush. Here is a pencil. With design. Here is a scale. After, in a last, there is a draw a brush. Okay. And now draw a design in a box. Like this. Okay, the picture is complete, and draw a dark base line. Okay, like this. There is a foreground, there is a background. Okay, and now fill the colors in given objects. The combination blue, yellow, purple, and in a pineapple, light green leaves pineapple. After that, dark green and brown combination. After that, in a pen stand, there is a red and green combination, and in a brushes there are orange color with a black color. Okay, fill the color. Have a nice day. Do practice in your sketchbook also. Okay, thank you.